Today, the aerospace industry faces the colossal challenge of how to make aircraft and other aerial vehicles more sustainable. However, during the 2017 Paris Air Show, and really over the last year, several companies including Airbus and Boeing have revealed new aerial flying concepts designed to give drivers in congested cities new options for getting to work, transporting cargo, and other uses. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to Futureality. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about technology and development. Hit the like button to show your support, and in today's video, we're going to discuss top 15 future aircraft concepts that will amaze you. So without any further ado, let's begin. Number 15. The Airbus Project Maverick. Airbus unveiled a plane prototype that the aerospace company's Future Lab has been working on for several years that would be more fuel efficient and spacious. For Airbus, the demonstrator's potential to deliver real environmental performance benefits is of significant interest, approximately 20% less fuel burn compared to current single-aisle models with the same engine. This spacious configuration also opens up the design space, enabling the possible integration of various other types of propulsion systems. In addition, noise is expected to be significantly reduced thanks to a shielded engine that is mounted above the central body. Number 14. NASA X-57. The X-57 Maxwell is powered by 14 electric motors, including 12 on the leading edge, which will be used for takeoffs and landings, and one larger motor on each wingtip, which will be used for cruise altitude. The aircraft will be powered by a battery system developed by Electric Power Systems in the City of Industry in California. The aircraft can accommodate up to 2 passengers and will have a range of approximately 160 kilometers, 100 miles, and a maximum flight time of 1 hour. Number 13. Boeing T-7 Red Hawk. The high-tech methods Boeing used to design and build the T-7 are saving time, simplifying processes, improving quality, and cutting down on defects, company officials told reporters. Boeing sees a highly digital future for aircraft design and production unfolding here, with the T-7 paving the way. Boeing used model-based engineering tools and advanced manufacturing techniques to go from the concept of what would become the T-7 to its first flight in 3 years, Newald said. Number 12. Airbus E-Fan-X. The hybrid electric aircraft is based on the BAE 146 RJ100, which is a short-haul regional airliner to be modified by Cranfield Aerospace. One of the 4 jet engines on the aircraft will be replaced with a 2-megawatt electric motor. Future plans including replacing another turbine with an electric motor. BAE 146 RJ100 aircraft will undergo other modifications to accommodate externally mounted heat exchangers for a liquid cooling system. An exhaust will be fitted to the power generation system, which is mounted over the fuselage. Number 11. The Prandtl D. The aircraft design, which includes a twisted wing and no tail, has been by student interns at NASA's Armstrong Flight Research Center for research, data collection, and flight tests focusing on wing design optimization theories. NASA says it plans to continue the highly competitive internship program to gather research and data collection on proverse yaw through the non-elliptical, bell-shaped span load distribution in the hopes to offer a new method of aircraft control and efficiency for future aeronautics. Number 10. Boom Supersonic. Boom Supersonic is redefining commercial flight by bringing supersonic flight back to the skies with Overture. This historic commercial airliner is designed and committed to industry-leading standards of speed, safety, and sustainability. Boom's vision is to bring families, businesses, and cultures together through super travel and make the world dramatically more accessible. Number 9. Air Quad 1. At the upcoming Paris Air Show, European consortium Neva Aerospace will be presenting a new concept for a personal vertical takeoff and landing aircraft known as Air Quad 1. Plans call for the fully electric vehicle to be able to reach a maximum altitude of 3,000 feet, 914 meters, and travel at a top airspeed of 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour, with one charge of its battery pack being good for 20 to 30 minutes of flight time. There may also be a semi-electric hybrid model, which would have a flight time of about 1 hour. Number 8. Airbus VSR 700 OPV. The VSR 700 is a light military rotary wing tactical unmanned aerial vehicle derived from the Cabri G2, an existing civil-certified 2-seater piston-engine helicopter designed and manufactured by Helicoptères Gimbal. According to Airbus Helicopters, the Cabri G2 provides a solid baseline for evolving to a military certification. The VSR 700 will be capable of carrying a wide array of mission equipment thanks to a maximum payload capacity of up to 250 kilograms. Number 7. The Alice Commuter. The fuselage of the electric aircraft has been built using lightweight carbon fiber composite material, offering a desirable weight-to-strength ratio. The aircraft features a fixed wing design, low wing configuration, and a V-tailed rear structure. Its takeoff and landing operations are supported by a regular tricycle-type tractable landing gear. The aircraft integrates Honeywell avionics, a fly-by-wire system, and a flight deck. Number 6. The Skywheel. Everything from how passengers board through its takeoff, flight, and landing has been re-envisioned. The hulking 3-story 755-passenger composite plane would take to the air vertically with pivoting engines and large unswept wings with integrated turbines that control airflow and generate power. The design features a double fuselage to increase flight time between refueling by reducing its weight. Number 5. The Flying V. The Flying V's unique design places the passenger cabin, the cargo hold, and the fuel tanks in the wings. Experts hope that the plane's aerodynamic shape will cut fuel consumption by 20% compared to today's aircraft. Experts tested a 22.5 kilogram and 3-meter scale model of the futuristic airplane developed by researchers at Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands and partner Dutch airline KLM to take the highly anticipated aircraft along its next developmental steps. A team of researchers and engineers tested the aircraft at a guarded airbase in Germany, where they worked with an Airbus team to test takeoffs, maneuvers, and approaches and landing. Number 4. The Airbus Bird of Prey. The Bird of Prey's wing and tail structures mimic those of an eagle or falcon, with individually controlled feathers for active flight control that also minimize drag and noise. The regional aircraft would use hybrid electric propulsion to carry 80 passengers up to 1,500 kilometers. A lightweight carbon fiber fuselage would use a geodesic structure inspired by the work of bouncing bomb inventor and aerospace pioneer Sir Barnes Wallis. The distributed propellers offer great redundancy as well as extra lift at low speed. Number 3. Boeing TTBW. Boeing revealed its newest transonic truss-based wing TTBW, which researchers say will fly higher and faster than the previous TTBW concepts. The new configuration is designed to offer unprecedented aerodynamic efficiency while flying at Mach 0.8. From end to end, the folding wings measure 170 feet. The high wingspan is made possible by the presence of a truss, which supports the extended length of the ultra-thin wing. Originally, the TTBW was designed to fly at speeds of Mach 0.7 to 0.75 to increase the aircraft's cruise speed. The new concept now has an optimized truss and a modified wing sweep. Number 2. The Terrafugia. Founded in 2006, Terrafugia is the brainchild of several aeronautical engineers with a love for flying. The dual-purpose vehicle is specially tailored to recreational pilots and the wealthy collector in search of the latest exclusive acquisition. Wings folded tight against his body at 6 meters long and 2.3 meters wide, the Terrafugia isn't much bigger than a typical minivan. Inside, the 2-seat cabin is an amalgamation of all the controls expected in both car and airplane, including a traditional steering wheel and retractable control stick. Number 1. Visoin VTOL. Over the last decade, the aviation market has shown an increased interest in commercial electric vertical takeoff and landing VTOL vehicles. In order to increase the maximum payload or range, future commercial VTOL operations may be conducted without a pilot on board, which requires reliable automatic onboard systems. During human over-the-loop operations, an automatic landing system safely guides the aircraft to the destination vertiport during approach and landing. A prototype vision-augmented automatic landing system for a fixed-wing aircraft has been developed within the C2Land project in collaboration with partners from academia and industry. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. Today's video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now. And there are a few more fun videos coming soon about everyday aviation technology. I'll see you in the next video.